everything you'll ever need to know about front lunges. Primary muscles are quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings. Secondary muscles are core, adductors, calves, and spinal, erectors. Now let's move on to perfect form. Begin in the bottom position. Start with both legs bent at 90 degrees angles, front knee over ankle and back knee under hip. Keep hips square, no leaning to either side, with feet hip width apart when viewed from the front for better balance. Place a dumbbell or water bottle roughly 5 centimeters in front of your front foot. This serves as a marker for a consistent step length. Make sure your front foot is firmly grounded with even pressure distributed through your big toe, little toe, and heel, also known as the tripod foot. Keep your back heel lifted and the toes tucked under. If using weights, hold dumbbells at your sides. Keep your torso upright, core braced, chest up, and shoulders back and down. Now, drive through the front heel, engaging your glutes and quads to rise up. Avoid excessive forward lean where shoulders round forward. Make sure your front knee tracks your toes at all times. No inward caving or outward drifting. Your legs should come together at the top as you squeeze your glutes to lock in hip stability. Then, lower back down with control, making sure to step forward to the side, not straight, and lower until your back knee slightly taps the ground before diving up again. And that's the perfect front lunge. Now let's take a look at few tweaks to try out. Number 1. Walking lunges add momentum for power and endurance. Number 2. Reverse lunges. These are easier on the knees and ideal for beginners while still targeting same muscles. Number 3. Goblet hold, where you hold dumbbell or kettlebell at chest height to challenge posture and core. Number 4. Don't let grip or loading mechanics be your limiter. If your hands fatigue before your legs, consider using straps. Number 5. Elevated rear foot. Place your back foot on a bench, Bulgarian split squat style to amplify glute and quad activation. Check out this video for full breakdown. And finally, let's address some common mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, not controlling the descent. Dropping too fast or letting the back knee slam into the ground, especially near the end of a set. Instead, lower yourself under control, keeping the back knee tapping the ground. Mistake number 2, different stepping. Taking a short length step is more quad dominant, while taking too long can cause hip strain. Instead, mark your stepping length so you always go the same distance. Mistake number 3, pushing off the toes. This shifts work away from the glutes and hams. Instead, drive through the heel of the front foot on the way up. Mistake number 4, doing them all at the same time. Which of these mistakes have you caught yourself doing? Drop a comment below and let me know. Check out these videos if you want to learn more. Until next time, verið sæl.